anniversary merch. We got one thing, which is this. So
They have a little section.
they have a little section themed specifically to Jaws. So
A
let's
light
check it out.
tribute store, I want to call it.
All right. So yeah, we're on the way to see the Universal celebration for Jaws' 50th anniversary. It looks like there's not going to be a tribute store this year for summer.
They have a light tribute store.
So
That's what I call it.
let's see what they have here for Jaws. So you guys ready?
Yep.
Let's do this. Let's have some fun. And here, welcome to Amity. It is the 4th of July celebration, but something seems to be in the water. Let's go inside and see what Universal did for Jaws' 50th anniversary. Welcome to Amity, though. Captain Jake's world famous skipper photo spot. Let's go this way and see it. Captain Quint's Boardwalk Snacks. Not open as of yet. And Ashley is finally experiencing what it's like to be on the Jaws ride. Oh, she's loving this right now.
The grenade launcher.
They have the grenade launcher there? They still have the grenade launcher prop. That's crazy. With Bruce being here, it makes sense that they put it here. You agree?
Yeah. Put your head in it, Ash. Inside the candy shop, we have the props from last year's summer tribute store with the orca. Blackbird, little standee for the Jaws 50th, and some Jaws 50th merch as of right here. Some Jaws tumblers, brushes, and hats. And Captain Jake's Amity boat tours. I miss this ride in this land so much. You can see on top every little bit of detailed theming for Jaws. Both the ride and the movie. And more Jaws memorabilia from the old ride. I really miss this ride. Some more 50th anniversary Jaws merch.
Amity Mayor Larry Bond assures us that there are no sharks left in our waters. I repeat.
And some props from Jaws, from Quint's jacket to Chief Brody's
And the real
shirt.
piece crap that we see in the movie.
Oh, a real piece of the orca.
A bunch of props.
How much is this bag? $50. How much is this bag? $30.
And more of how much I miss the Jaws attraction.
It's so crazy to think one of my favorite loves to replace it with another, but things happen.
They put this in a candy store. But with Bruce being outside, it kind of fits, but they really did work well with this. What do you think?
I wish I guess my only way to experience Jaws ride is in Japan.
Me? I'll do it.
I'm probably scared out of my mind, but
We'll have fun. I love that ride. Blown away on how great this prop is. I'm loving this so much right now. So you guys, that was the Jaws 50th anniversary pop-up that they did. You could call it a tribute store light.
light tribute store.
I did a short so y'all can see the stuff to buy in there.
So, guys, we love y'all. We love sharing our adventures with you guys. like I said, you got like, comment, and subscribe if you like what we do. If you got any suggestions, drop them in the comment section. See you guys.
Lord.
Love y'all.
Bye.